How to send money from Cash App to PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Since there is no direct way to send money from Cash App to your PayPal, you can use a workaround. So firstly, you can transfer your Cash App to your bank account. Open your Cash App and select the Banking tab. Choose Cash Out and select your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. After that, you can log in into your PayPal account and head over to the Wallet section or the Money tab. Click on the Add Fund and select Bank Account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Also note that there might be some of the fees associated with this transfer. It depends on your linked bank account and the PayPal policy as well. So this is how you'll be able to send money from your Cash App to your PayPal. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.